Hello, everyone. Welcome to your exclusive updates on incredible happenings at the Class of One Global Online School. I am Janvi Pimple, and today we are diving into the whirlwind of inspiring events and celebration that made December unforgettable. So, come on, let's get started. On December 5th, TCO1 kicked off World Soil Day with a powerful 2-day event. The celebration began with an eye opening session on soil's role in biodiversity and sustainability. A vibrant skit, a heartfelt dance, and a poetic performance delivered the urgent message to save soil in the most creative ways. Day 2 brought a special session with an Isha Foundation volunteer, deepening students' understanding to the soil health and the Safe Soil movement. TCU1 students weren't just spectators, they became environmental warriors, creating seed bombs and sharing videos of their efforts to restore greenery. What a phenomenal way to nurture eco consciousness leaders! Fast forward to December 7th, when TCO1 hosted Innovate and Empower Shaping Future Skills, celebrating its recognition as a standard school under the Oxford Quality Program. The event was a showcase of brilliance, the success of Digital and Technological Innovation Club, the school status as a Ministry of Education recognized School Innovation Council, and the Garbage Alert Project, all shining examples of innovation and sustainability. Exciting new programs were also unveiled, including the Skill Mantra program for younger students and revamped News Ahu 2.0, bridging academics with the real world awareness. The event set an inspiring tone for an innovation driven academic year. December 12th brought the fashion world to the TCO1 with a career counseling session by the incredible Miss Sagrika Mani. Miss Mani shared the secrets of turning a passion for fashion into a thriving career, from the market research to creating a brand identity. Her personal success left students inspired and ready to dive into the world of fashion with confidence. On December 18th, the magic of math took center stage with the Mathalon, a 3-day extravaganza celebrating the National Mathematics Day and the genius of Srinivasa Ramanujan. The event began with Puzzle Mania, a brain bending challenge of puzzles and riddles. Day two's Math Whiz Quiz brought out fierce competition, and the grand finale, Mathematician, featured the renowned Dr. Sumit Maheshwari from IIM Jammu. His insights left students awestruck and motivated. Certificates of participation were awarded to budding mathematicians, showcasing the zeal and talent that made the event a massive hit. And finally, on December 21st, TCO1 hosted the highly anticipated Winter Carnival Fun Fair Frenzy 3.0. This year's carnival was bigger and better, celebrating the spirit of Christmas with thrilling games, creative DIY activities, and mesmerizing performances by students and teachers. Principal Ma'am Miss Manisha Baghi inaugurated the event, setting the stage for endless fun and camaraderie. The joyous energy, vibrant participation, and festive cheer made it a day to remember, creating memories to cherish for years to come. What a spectacular month for TCO1! From celebrating innovation to fostering creativity and environmental awareness, the school continues to amaze and inspire. That's all for today's updates. Stay tuned for more exciting stories from TCO1 and have a great day ahead.